Sometimes we order something and we get something else.
Online shopping saves our time. Sometimes its brand is fake.
You can get everything while sitting at home. No need to go out. And there's a lot of chances of get scam and fraud in online shopping.
Like online shopping will help us to purchase the things at our door.
Shopping in offline shopping, you can observe the items and check the item at that point.
We should see the reviews on that product. If we see that the product is not worth it, so why people buy it? Why they will hit their head on the wall? They are not crazy. They will not buy that product.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. And may peace and blessing be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions and all the Muslims around the world. Well, today we're going to have beautiful and interesting debate, and the topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. Let's see who all are going to support online shopping and who all are going to support offline shopping. So, are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please introduce yourself one by one and then your points, what you support. Okay, so who is going to say first?
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ishal Kamran. I have been learning English here for 3 months. So today's our topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. So today I'm supporting online shopping.
My name is Anat Khan and today our topic is online shopping versus offline shopping, and I am supporting online shopping.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khan and I have been learning English for 3 months. Today we're going to start a debate for online shopping versus traditional shopping.
And what do you support? What do you support, by the way?
I am supporting online shopping.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Kashmala Khan. I have been learning English for 3 months, and today my debate topic is that online shopping versus offline shopping. I support offline shopping. Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me Fatima Khan and I have been learning English for 3 months. So today's topic is that online shopping versus offline shopping. So I support offline shopping. Thank you. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mariam Gulzar and I have been learning English for 3 months. Today's debate topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. So today I am supporting offline shopping. Thank you.
Okay, now please start. Why do you support online shopping and why do you support offline shopping? Yes.
So today I'm supporting online shopping because from my opinion I think that online shopping saves our time.
I think in offline shopping you can do adventures, and by physical going you can enjoy the shopping as well as offline shopping and online shopping.
Okay, you can eat something
You can eat something, you can enjoy with
and
your
you can
family.
spend a lot of money
Yes, if you have.
and you are going to buy one thing and you will buy so many other things.
Yes.
This is the benefit or this is the disadvantage, by the way.
But I think it is also a wastage of time, because if someone has no time to go to the shopping mall, so they don't go to shopping mall, they absolutely shop online shopping, they do online shopping. So if someone is busy, so they can't do offline shopping.
And yeah, it's a valid point. Yes.
Okay, what are the benefits of online shopping?
It's to save travel time and checkout time. So this is the benefit of online shopping.
You can get everything while sitting at home. No need to go out.
Very nice, good, mashallah, good point. Yes, why do we have to go outside? Then we can get the things at our door.
I think if you go offline shopping, in offline shopping, you can observe the item and check the item at that point. In online shopping, you can check the item.
Yeah, it's valid. Like sometimes we get the wrong product, sometimes we get the damaged product.
But in online shopping, we should see the reviews on that product. If we see that the product is not worth it, so why people buy it? Why they will hit their head on the wall? They are not crazy. They will not buy that product.
Yeah, indeed, it's also valid. First, we should check the reviews. You find the good reviews, then go for that.
And I think that online shopping is not only about buying clothes. It also we can buy fruits, vegetables, medicines, any other necessities online.
One more thing I would like to ask, like if some companies are selling something or some shops are out of the city, do we have to go over there? Like online shopping will help us to purchase the things at our door. Now we don't have to go there. That will help us.
Like if we have a product, we have to buy a thing and that thing is not available in your area or that shop. So you will go online and you will shop it.
And also, inflation is touching the sky, petrol prices are going up. So we have to save our money if we are sharper. Otherwise, we will have to go to the shop and spend the time and money as well.
I think you can also bargain in offline shopping and observe the thing. And there's a lot of chances of get scammed and fraud in online shopping.
One more thing I would like to ask you, like supporter of online. Sometimes we order something and we get something else, and sometimes we order very beautiful thing and we get it damaged form.
Sir, I think we should buy that thing from a brand. We should not buy that thing from a cheap app or something like that. That we have Daraz, Al-Karam and that type of apps. We should buy that thing from a good app.
Some online deals and discount are way more better than stores prices.
Sometimes brand is fake.